Hello dear learners. Once again I have come with a very interesting topic. Today's topic is about did and have. In this today's short video we are going to discuss these two question words, that is did and have. These are auxiliary verbs which are used to make questions. These again fall in the category of primary auxiliary verbs, to be, to have and to do. And these two are used to make questions about completed actions in past tense. It could be either remote past tense or immediate past tense. Did is always followed by base form of the verb, that is root form of the verb or the first form of the verb, whereas have is followed by past participle, that is third form of the verb. Now the question is when to use did, when and where to use did, and when and where to use have. And many times what happens, students, learners get confused. They are not sure whether to use did or whether to use have, whether to start the question using did or using have. And if the subject is third person singular, it takes has. So I am going to explain this to you with simple examples in simple language. So please watch this video until its end. Did is used to talk about events and actions which happen in remote past, whereas have followed by past participle is used to talk about or to ask about the actions or events happen in the immediate past, means the actions which happen until recently, just recently. I will use simple examples. You can ask your brother, sister about his or her homework. If you want to ask about that, you can make the question like this: Have you completed your homework? Right? This is the first question. Question number first. Have you completed your homework? Means the action has taken place just a few minutes back or some time back, but not long ago, just a few minutes ago. And if you are asking your brother or your sister about the homework, about yesterday's homework, you may begin your question with did, not with have. Did you complete your yesterday's homework, right? So in this way you can understand did is used to ask question or to make question about events and actions which happen in remote past, whereas have or has is used to ask questions about events or actions happened recently or in the immediate past, right? So this is the basic difference between present perfect and simple past tense, right? Have and has plus V3, this is present perfect tense, whereas did plus V1 plus remaining part of the sentence, this is simple past tense, right? This is the structure of simple past tense, or it is used to ask questions about actions happen in simple past tense, whereas this is present perfect tense, have oblique has plus V3, and this is used to make questions or to ask questions about the actions which happen recently. Recently, that is up to this point, right? I will give simple examples, other simple examples. Simple past, always, not always, but most of the time it takes time reference. For example, he went to school yesterday. So this is simple past tense, right? So we can ask the question, did you meet your friend John there in the school, right? Now there is no time reference here in the question, because this question is asked by the speaker keeping in mind the previous days, that is yesterday's event, that is of his going to the school, right? Because the speaker already knows about the action happened yesterday, that is of his going to the school. That is why he is using did. That is why he started his question with did and not with have. Got it? So sometimes what happens? The circumstances, situations help us whether it is present, to know whether it is present tense or past tense. I will give another example. For example, have you seen my glasses somewhere in the room, right? So here in the second question, the speaker is using present perfect, not simple past did, but he is using what? Present perfect tense. He is using have and not did to ask about his glasses. Why? Because he missed his glasses, or he misplaced his glasses somewhere in the room just a few minutes ago, not long back. Because just a few minutes back he was using the glasses, right? And just a few minutes back he misplaced them somewhere, and now he is not able to get them back. So he is asking the question starting with have and not with has, right? In short, Whenever something happens recently, and if you want to get information about that, whether it is completed or not completed, start questions with have or has. And if you want to get information about something which happened long back in the past, in remote past, use the questions or start the questions with did and not with have. This is the difference between did and have. Hope this is clear. If you have any question, any query, please feel free to ask me on my personal number. With this, I wish to stop here. Thank you so much for your patient watching. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.